Alright, hi, this is my assignment 1 progress report. So this is my first assignment. I have the vertices here. I changed the number of verts everywhere I need to and change it to use 6 triangles instead of 1. I will run it real quick. Okay, so you can see it here. I don't know what the deal with the errors is, but you can see that it's still running properly. So there's the result. I will now show the second one using a for loop to set up both the index buffer and the vertex buffer, and I will go ahead and run. Actually, I'll open up the .h file to show you that I'm currently using 20 debug. Start without debugging. So here's a result with 20 vertices. I'll change it to 12 real quick to show you that it is changing properly. Oh yes, this is an issue I was running into where okay, I apologize for that, but you can see here with the 12 vertices, I have to close the program, exit out of the application, and clean the debug and restart whenever that happens, but it does work. And last but not least, I'll talk briefly about the stuff from the further work. First, the z-axis. The deal with that is that it's by moving it 2 into the z-axis, that doesn't display anymore. It draws up to wherever it leaves the z-axis and then stops. So that's why it's not displaying the top half, but it does display the bottom half. Same with these here. So the top left coordinates, the idea I had for why that could be useful is if you're looking down at like a mini-map, for example, and you want to move the view without actually changing the angle of the camera. Personally, I would probably still change the camera itself rather than the viewport, but that was just a potential possible application for moving the top left coordinates. And last but not least, the formats. So the difference between them is one of them stores 4 integers of 8-bit length. This one stores 1 integer of 16-bit length, and the RGBA are the names of the channels that it's storing in. So in this case, it's probably not actually using the red channel for red. This one is, it would be using all 4 as colors, but this one's probably just storing random other data in there. So that's the difference between them. And the potential applications is if you don't need the extra bits, it wastes memory to use a 16-bit version. So that's a potential reason to use one over the other.